just want to say that I'm unboxing a Little Passports box. So, and if you missed my previous video, we unboxed the Pop Snots, and that was actually today. So, we did a double video per day. So, yeah. And let's get started. Oh, and also, if you're new to the video or new to the channel, then I just want to encourage you and say that you should hit the like button and smash the bell. So here we go. Got this box all the way. I have this for like countries and everything. It's right there if you want to look at it. Have this, whatever that is. It's like a little pass, the coin. There's a little coin. There's this. Earphone. Oh, this coin's really cool. There's the back of it. And I cut this a little. So here this is. I got a little cute little hippo. I got a little turtle. I think I need to cut it a little bit more. Slice. This is not behaving. It's not how a booth behaves. And I like the turtle shell, it feels weird. Wanna feel it? Feel. And here is Nemo, which tail is weird. It's like a Poseidon's trident, or however you say his name. I always get it mixed up. There's this. Animals from around the world. Alright. And here's this. Ooh, it's like a little map. Oh wow, this is big. I think you need to scoot back a little. Wow.
Keep opening.
Wow, it's big.
Open it. Here, look. Right here. Go grab that. See?
Oh my gosh.
There you go. Hold it up.
More?
There we go. There's
Wow.
the whole globe.
My gosh. This thing is big. I have to put this right here. And here's the coin thing. Country coin collection, it says. Do I put them in here?
Whenever you get them. Each month you'll get a new coin.
Oh yeah, forgot.
What else do you
And
have?
here is the worldwide activities. Asia. Alright, there's a little maze. And here's a sticker for Sammy and Sammy Lawrence and Sophia Lawrence. Sammy Lawrence. Sammy and Sophia. And this is it. So yeah, I like a little suitcase. Don't you? Comment down below what you like the most. Nemo, Hippo-y, or the turtle, whatever his name is. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And comment down below which one's your favorite.